quick room tour. Bathroom, shower, step up shower, 2 shower heads, bath, toilet, vanity. On the opposite of that, we have a closet. Usual, ironing board, in the wall safe, extra linens, coat rack, some storage. You do have plenty of storage in the entryway area, just the way it lays out. And coming into the room, large king size bed. There's no room to put anything under the bed. We like to see that, but we have a fold-out couch, drawer, nice little desk area, different chairs, and we should have a mini fridge, coffee maker. Yep, Keurig, coffee maker, mini fridge. And we'll check out the pool view. Here is the view. Now in a different video, we're staying over there on the kid suite. So here's a nice little different angle than what we have from that room. See the boats going by. It's a really big pool. A lot of people there. We'll have to do some resort exploring. Really cool main lobby. They have some lounges. There's a restaurant, the first floor. Man, this view is awesome. Theme park. Get to see Hogwarts over there, and just Hulk, and just a lot of the rides. See the water taxis. We used the water taxi. We also, the walkway is a really short walkway. Everything's really close by. It really makes it nice. City Walk is just, maybe a 10-minute walk. Anyways, hope you like this short room tour. See you next time.